Hello guys, this is Teddy. Namaste. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the recovery error. Whenever you flash anything, you get stuck on the recovery like this. So I just restarted my phone, as you can see. So it keeps going into the recovery, and I tried the wiping almost anything, but it didn't work, and even the Android backup doesn't work. So now I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So in order to do this, you need an PC. So let's go to the PC. So first of all, you need to download the Odin flasher and a ROM, stock ROM of your Android phone. So just make sure that all your driver must be installed in your PC. So first of all, so this is the Odin, as you can see. So let's go into the bootloader mode. You can do this by going to the recovery, but I know all of you guys don't have the CWM recovery, so you can boot into the download mode just by doing the combination of the volume down plus home button and plus power button, and do this simultaneously, otherwise it don't work. So in Odin, go into the AP and so just go and browse the file where you put the stock ROM. So in my case, this is the ROM file. So just browse the file and you're ready to go. So it might take a while, so don't worry about that. It might get into the not responding mode, but don't worry about that either. So as you can see, this is the progress bar, and it takes a while, and it is updating the phone. So as you can see, it is done now, and as you can see, it is resetting this. So the phone is now in work in progress. So as you can see, it shows the pass. That means the procedure was successfully done. And first time it take a while to reboot, so don't worry about that. So it is saying that the Android is starting. That means, as you can see, the phone is successfully booted and it is working fine. So the whole procedure was so easy, and I will leave the link of the download links in the description file in the description box, so check that out. So that's it guys for today, and stay tuned for more videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is TechDude signing off.